Good morning. It's day 152. Rained all night last night, and it's supposed to rain all day today. But it's not raining right now, just in a cloud, which is nice. Old tree stump with a beautiful pattern. Thanks, nature. It's 2 o'clock. We're cold and we're wet. So we're taking a lunch break in the tents. Making some hot chocolate. Getting some dry clothes, maybe sleeping bags. Taking a good rest. Warming up. Well, it's still windy and cold, but we decided to be nice to our tomorrow selves and keep hiking today. So we put our wet, cold clothes back on and we're freezing and cranky. And we're packed up. And we're gonna keep walking for another 4 miles.
Yes.
So it's 4 miles less that we're gonna have to hike tomorrow.
It's like 2 hours, roundabout.
2 more hours. We can do this. Yeah. Our storm has increased to an electrical storm above us. And there was literally the thunder and lightning were in the same moment right above our heads just a second ago. Scared the shit out of us. But at least we're in forested trees. Safest of all of our options. Really glad we're not in the burn area that we were in yesterday.
Oh yeah. Closer.
We were aiming for a road, like an old decommissioned logging road, but then we passed some other hikers that were coming backwards and said that it was all flooded out. So we just pulled over in some pine duff and set up camp. And so now we're warm and dry and have further to hike the next 2 days to get to Snoqualmie Pass, but we'll make it work. But I'm warm and dry right now, so that's all that really matters. Good night.